And here it is, the entrance coming into the Mission Inn. This is a beautiful, beautiful place right downtown Riverside, California. We are here at the Mission Inn in Riverside. This is really beautiful, beautiful architecture, as you can tell. Beautiful building. I advise anyone that comes here to get valet parking, and this is where we're at right now, because this is one place you don't want to have to look for parking. Everything is landscaped beautifully here, as you can see. Gives you all some great ideas and tips on how to decorate your garden and put beautiful landscaped gardens together and see what professional gardeners do. Is this not beautiful? They have several restaurants here to eat at, and here's one of the Mexican restaurants, and we're going to be eating inside. And look at the beautiful fountain that is here. Now this is the very entrance by the valet parking. Like I said, if you come here, make sure you factor in valet parking. It's really crowded in downtown here. And look at how beautiful everything looks. This is the Mexican restaurant patio. There's my husband sitting down waiting for me to get done taking pictures of this beautiful place. I know, I love it here too. Isn't it just beautiful here? Even the trees are lit up. When you come at night, we'll have to come back sometime at night, especially at Christmas time. They decorate this so beautiful for Christmas. And I've always thought I would do a video over here, and I never have done it yet. And all the way, it's landscaped and always looks beautifully manicured every time I've ever been here. And everything about the architecture at this place is gorgeous. Well, I have never actually stayed here, but I have had family and friends that have, and they always tell me everything is wonderful here too. Hear the birds singing? They are so happy here. Look at how beautiful every inch of this place is. Breathtakingly beautiful. Here's a great man. Hard to believe there was a lot of people here at the same time I was, taking photos of this beautiful place. I guess this must be a place that everyone likes to take photo ops at. Lots and lots of people. I'm having to work around everyone taking photos here today and video, like me. I'm going to try to share as many things as I can, and leaving long enough so you can read these placards. And look at these beautiful, beautiful parrots. Are they not beautiful? Let me see if I can get them in a little bit better. There's two parrots in here, and they're both pruning each other, and so it's hard for me to get good pictures of them. Or maybe they're camera shy. Who knows? But they are beautiful, are they not? What? Okay, let's go. Where's that?